the stillness of the mind, where form and thought are left behind, a quiet glow begins to rise, unfolding words behind the eyes. No division, no divide, all creation unified. Light and shadow intertwine, showing beauty by design. In the laughter and the tears, in the calm and in the fears, every moment holds the key to a deeper harmony. Pain transforms beneath this gaze, heavy hearts begin to raise. What once felt broken finds its peace, finding grace and sweet release. Presence speaks without a word, soft and gentle, never heard. Yet the silence fills the air with a love beyond compare. No need to change, no need to seek. Wholeness rests in all we speak. Every breath becomes a prayer as the soul becomes aware. Time dissolves and worlds align, revealing truth in every sign. Unity within each part, pulsing softly through the heart. Beauty rests in all that is. Life becomes a sacred bliss. Every shadow, every light shines with meaning in our sight.